Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my lecturer, which is Dr. Khairi. For today, I will delve into the title of this presentation, which is Crude Palm Oil CPO Food Act 1983. Actually, a significant legislation and act to ensure the quality and safety of palm oil products. Actually, this act plays a pivotal role in regulating the environmental impacts of palm oil production. As many of you are aware, actually the palm oil is an incredible, versatile and widely used vegetable oil found in many food and non-food products. However, its production has significant environmental repercussions. This presentation aims to shed light on the environmental quality prescribed premise under the CPO Food Act 1983 and discuss various measures to mitigate these impacts. And then I will start by providing an overview of the environmental challenges associated with palm oil production, explore specific impacts, and then I will discuss potential solutions and recommendations to address these issues. My goal is to understand how can we balance the palm oil production with environmental sustainability. Now we are moving to the case study background. Actually, to understand the context of the CPO Food Act 1983, actually it is essential to first examine the environmental impacts of palm oil production. Palm oil plantations are often established in tropical regions, which are home to some of the world's most biodiverse ecosystems. Actually, one of the most pressing concerns is deforestation. Vast tracts of rainforests are cleared to make way for palm oil plantations. This deforestation results in the loss of habitat for countless species, pushing many to the brink of extinction. For instance, orangutans, tigers, and rhinoceros are among the species severely affected by the habitat loss due to the palm oil expansion. Moreover, actually the process of clearing the forest often involve burning, which contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. These practice not only exacerbates climate change but also causes severe air pollution, affecting the health of local communities and wildlife. Then, despite the environmental regulations stipulate under the CPO Food Act 1983, enforcement remains a challenge. Many producers either lack the resources or the will to comply with these standards. Actually, this leading to the continued environmental degradation. So, this case study serves as a backdrop to our discussion, which is highlighting the urgent need for more stringent and effective environmental measures within the palm oil industry. Now, let's take a closer look at the specific environmental impacts of palm oil production. The issues can be categorized into several key areas. So, for the number one is deforestation and habitat destruction. Actually, as I mentioned earlier, the establishment of palm oil plantations often involve clearing vast areas of tropical rainforests. So, this deforestation is a major driver of habitat loss for many endangered species. Additionally, the loss of trees, which act as carbon sinks, contribute to the higher atmospheric carbon dioxide level. Now, we are moving to the point number 2, which is climate change. The burning of forests to clear land release significant amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Actually, this not only accelerates the global warming, but also leads to transboundary haze pollution, which has serious health implications for people in the region. Number 3, water pollution. The use of pesticides and fertilizers in the palm oil plantations can lead to water pollution. Runoff from these chemicals contaminates rivers and streams, harming the aquatic life and affecting the quality of water available to local communities. Number 4, soil degradation. Intensive farming practices associated with palm oil production can lead to soil degradation. Over time, this reduces the land's productivity and can result in desertification, further limiting the land available for agriculture. Number 5, which is the last point, loss of biodiversity. The monoculture nature of palm oil plantations means that they do not support the same level of the biodiversity as natural forests. This loss of biodiversity can have cascading effects on ecosystems, disrupting the food chain and also ecosystem services. These impacts underscore the importance of strict environmental regulations and their enforcement in the palm oil industry. Without effective measures, the negative consequences will continue to outweigh the benefits of palm oil production. Now, we are moving to the solutions and recommendations, which is the first point is sustainable palm oil production practices. By encouraging the adoption of sustainable farming practice is essential. This includes reducing the use of harmful chemicals, implementing integrated pest management, and also adopting the agroforestry practices that promote biodiversity. Second, certification schemes. Certification schemes such as the Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil, which is the RSPO, play a crucial role in promoting sustainable palm oil production. Actually, these schemes provide guidelines and standards for producers to follow, ensuring that palm oil is produced in an environmentally friendly manner. However, it is important that these certifications are robust and enforced rigorously. Third, environmental monitoring and enforcement. By strengthening the monitoring and enforcement of environmental regulation is vital. This can involve the regular inspections, satellite monitoring, and the use of technology to track the compliance. So the government and regulatory bodies need to work closely with the industry stakeholders to ensure that standards are met. And then number 4 is community engagement and also education. And engaging local communities and educating them about sustainable practice can have a significant impact. Communities that are involved in and benefit from the sustainable palm oil production are more likely to support and adhere to environmental regulations. Number 5, research and development. By investing in research and development can lead to the discovery of more sustainable production methods. This includes developing higher yielding palm oil varieties that require less land and resources, as well as exploring alternative uses for palm oil byproducts. For the conclusion of this presentation, the environmental quality prescribed premise under the Crude Palm Oil Food Act 1983 is crucial for ensuring the sustainability of palm oil production. The Act provides a framework for regulating environmental impacts, but it requires effective implementation and enforcement to be truly effective. We have seen how palm oil production can lead to deforestation, habitat destruction, climate change, water pollution, soil degradation, and loss of biodiversity. However, with the right measures in place, these impacts can be mitigated. Sustainable palm oil production practices, robust certification schemes, effective monitoring and enforcement, community engagement, and ongoing research and development are all the critical components of a sustainable palm oil industry. By prioritizing these strategies, we can ensure that palm oil production is environmentally sustainable and socially responsible. It is essential that we all play our part in promoting and supporting sustainable palm oil production. This includes making informed choice as consumers, supporting sustainable brands, and advocating for stronger environmental policies. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided you with a deeper understanding of the environmental quality aspect under the CPO Food Act 1983 and the importance of sustainable palm oil production. I guess that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.